What is going on, guys? It is NinjarockstarX here with a new vid for all you cool kids. That's right. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to exactly install a micro SD card onto any modern Android phone. So let's go to that right now.
So basically one day I went into settings to see how much storage I exactly have. Since I use my phone a lot to record videos, I checked it and saw that everything's looking good except my storage, which is comprised of megabytes remaining, not gigabytes. So as you guys can see, I was in desperate need of a solution, so this is why I made this video. As you can see that on my phone I have a variety of videos that I've recorded. So let me know, guys, if you want more tutorials like this in the future. And let's begin this tutorial. Alright, so basically this is everything you'll be needing for the installation of this micro SD card. I have a 128 gigabyte Evo Select Samsung micro SD card, which I've actually linked down in the description in case you guys want to buy this. I have linked it down in the description, and I'll actually get a little bit back if you do decide to purchase this within the US. So thank you in advance. And before we do actually put this in, you are going to need to know how much storage your phone supports. My phone supports 512 gigabytes, which is a lot more than I actually need, which I'm only installing 128 gigabytes today. And you are going to want to remove your phone case for this, guys. Now, this is my phone, the Galaxy A10e, and this is the box it came in. And so basically you're going to want to see the instruction manual of what it came in with. So I already know how to do this, but if you guys want to see the whole of where you're going to be installing and taking out the card, the tray where you're going to be installing the micro SD card, you are going to want to read this, because there are two holes. There is one up here and there is one on the side, and you see the one with the cutout over here. This is the one you're going to want to do right here. I'm sorry my camera quality is not as good as it could be, but you know, we're working on it, you know. Alright, but basically this is the instructions. We already know how to do this, but basically what your phone case or like your phone thing should come with is one of these. These are one of the SIM card ejector tools, and if you guys don't have one of these, I have linked it also down in the description. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to take out the SIM card tray or the micro SD card tray, whatever, you know, the thing, and we're going to install this micro SD card, and this is perfectly safe. So let's do this. Alright, I have taken out the micro SD card out of its case. This is cool though, but like it came with the micro SD card adapter, right? This is only for a laptop, so you don't really need this. This is just in case you have a laptop, but we're just doing a tutorial about how to do this into your phone, how to put this storage into your phone. So basically what we're going to do is you're going to grab the SIM card ejector pin tool, right? And this is with my phone on, so I'm showing you guys that this is perfectly safe even with your phone on. And where that cutout is, that hole right there, like right there, you could see that hole, right? We're gonna actually insert this like pin right here and apply like a little amount of force, not too much, just a little bit, and then right there you'll see something right there just came out, and it says no SIM card inserted. Your device is unable to make calls or connect to mobile networks because you have ejected the SIM card tray, right? So you're going to press OK. No worries about that. You can actually remove this, and you can take this out. Nice and easy though. And right there you'll see the SIM card. SIM card is right there. So this is my SIM card, right? And what we're going to do is we're actually going to place the micro SD card with the gold contacts facing down, right? Fitting into this. So you want to fit the shape of the micro SD card into this. So just like that. And you want to place it nice and firmly. Not too hard, but just nice. Give it a nice tap, right? And now that that's done, all you got to do is insert it back into the phone. And just make sure if it's sticking out too much, you might have to readjust it. Don't force it, because you definitely don't want to break this, believe me. So just pushes gently back into the thing. And look at that. We have successfully installed it. So basically what will happen is you'll get a notification right down here. You scroll down right here. It says SD card. Tap here to transfer media files. And now you have successfully installed your micro SD card, and that is how to install it, guys. If you guys want another tutorial like this, make sure to leave a comment down below. Make sure to like and subscribe. It helps me out more than you guys think. This is huge, so I have more storage now on my phone to record even more videos, or when I'm live streaming. So I'll see you guys in the next one. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and peace out.